You're watching KETK Today.
And welcome back in. Here is a look at Longview with our Skyview camera, brought to you by the Monsoor Law Firm. We are off to a quiet start this morning, but it is a bit breezy out there, as you can see with the flags blowing in the wind, which is currently sitting at 11 miles per hour. And Longview temperature 69 degrees, the dew point in the middle 60s, so it is a mild and muggy start to our day today, and that is setting the stage for the potential for severe storms today and then a greater threat tomorrow. But we'll start with today's threat. It's a more isolated to few severe thunderstorms possible for us, with damaging straight line wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and potentially some very large hail as the primary weather concerns. Although a tornado cannot be entirely ruled out, we're really seeing more of a wind and hail threat for our day today. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center highlighting an area of potentially significant hail, which would be 2 inches in diameter, the size of a hen egg, or slightly bigger than that. Certainly a possibility in the pink area from Linden down to Pittsburgh, Quitman, Mineola, Emory, up towards Mount Vernon as well, under the risk of seeing some very large hail. Now, quarter-size hail in and of itself can already do a lot of damage, but once you start getting to the 2 inches in diameter, the reason why it's called significant is because it can cause significant damage, especially to your car if you are driving in it. So if you are put under a severe thunderstorm warning today, I would get off the roads as soon as possible. Now, tomorrow we have an even greater risk for severe thunderstorms. Damaging straight-line wind gusts in excess of 75 miles per hour is the primary concern, followed by the chance for some strong tornadoes and very large hail, 2 inches in diameter and potentially slightly higher than that. So Thursday is a day where you need to stay weather aware. Now, for today, we are going to be dry for a large portion of it. So if you have any outdoor activities planned, just keep that eye to the sky. You can see by the 4 or 5 o'clock hour, storms really start to ramp up across the area. We'll have to watch these very closely for that large hail. And then as we head into your Wednesday evening after 7 o'clock, the severe weather threat will come to an end. Although I can't rule out a few showers and storms overnight, severe weather is not expected. But by Thursday, you can see about as early as 1 o'clock, some of the first showers and stronger thunderstorms are starting to develop out there. And then eventually a line of storms will develop off to our west and push through the area during the evening hours. This line of thunderstorms will have that greatest risk of destructive straight line wind gusts that could be hurricane force or even stronger than that, or Category 1 hurricane force and potentially even stronger as this line of showers and storms move on through. By 8, 9 o'clock, though, the storms are beginning to exit the area, and we should be drying things out entirely by midnight, and then by Friday morning we're going to be a whole lot cooler out there. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to see those temperatures pretty warm the next couple of days, but a major cool down for Friday, but then we will warm back up as we head into the weekend, back into the upper 70s by Monday and Tuesday. And then for deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for that severe weather threat to really ramp up during the day on Thursday, so make sure to stay weather aware.